Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, let's see about roadmap to learn deep learning. Learning deep learning can be a rewarding journey. Here is a structured roadmap to help you get started and progress through the key concepts and skills. 1. Foundational knowledge. Mathematics. Brush up on essential maths topics like linear algebra, matrices, vectors, eigenvalues, and eigenvectors. Calculus, differentiation and integration. Probability and statistics, Bayes' theorem, probability distributions, and hypothesis testing. Resources: Khan Academy, Coursera. 2. Programming skills. Languages. Focus on Python as it's widely used in deep learning. Libraries. Learn libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and matplotlib for data manipulation and visualization. Resources: Python for everybody, Coursera. Automate the boring stuff with Python. 3. Machine learning basics. Understand the basics of machine learning, including supervised and unsupervised learning. Resources: Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course, Coursera. 4. Deep learning fundamentals. Neural networks. Learn about perceptrons, activation functions, and backpropagations. Deep learning frameworks. Get hands-on with frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Resources: Deep learning specialization, Coursera, Fast.ai. 5. Advanced topics. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image recognition tasks. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for sequence prediction tasks. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, for generating new data. Resources: Deep learning with Python, book Stanford SC231N. 6. Practical experience. Projects. Work on real world projects to apply your knowledge. Competitions. Participate in competitions on platforms like Kaggle. Resources: Kaggle, GIT Hub. 7. Stay updated. Follow the latest research and trends in deep learning by reading papers and attending conferences. Resources: Papers with code. 8. Community and networking. Join online communities and forums to connect with other learners and professionals. Resources: Reddit and Stack Overflow. This roadmap should give you a comprehensive guide to start and advance in deep learning. Remember, consistency and practice are key. Good luck on your learning journey. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. We are ready to help. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.